Good morning, students. So today we will talk about double displacement reaction. So in double displacement reaction, what happens? It is a chemical reaction in which two compounds in the aqueous solution react by exchanging their radicals. They exchange their radicals, and such kind of reaction is known as double displacement reaction. For example, it is of two kinds: neutralization reaction and precipitation reaction. Let me just give an example of NaCl plus Ag and O3. So these are two compounds. Now what will happen? You can see Cl goes over here, Na comes over here. So that is called exchanging of radicals. When two compounds react by exchanging their radicals, such kind of reaction is known as double displacement reaction. Okay, so this was an example. Sodium chloride reacts with silver nitrate, forms silver chloride precipitate. So this arrow shows the precipitate and sodium nitrate. It is generally of two kinds: double displacement reaction. It can either be neutralization reaction or precipitation reaction. Neutralization reaction is acid-base reaction. When acid reacts with base, it forms salt and water. This is also a double displacement reaction. For example, HCl when reacts with sodium hydroxide, it forms NaCl plus H2O. Here also the radicals are exchanged. Cl goes here, H2 is formed, HOH, H2O, NaCl. But here the substances are soluble in water. HCl, hydrochloric acid, is colorless, Na, sodium hydroxide, water is colorless. When both react, they form salt water, which is also colorless, which means it is a soluble product. But if the product is insoluble, then the reaction is known as precipitation reaction. Like this: sodium chloride, AgNO3, okay, both are soluble. But when they react, these two solutions, NaCl and AgNO3, they are soluble. You will not see any particles. But when you mix both solution, the formation of AgCl is having curdy white precipitate. Curdy white precipitate. So AgCl is formed, which is white in color. So you will see the white particles of AgCl. Initially it was not here. So the formation of these white particles is known as precipitation. As I already told you in the last lecture, what is precipitation? It is formed during the reaction. It is not there before. So as it is insoluble, and also NaNO3 is formed. NaNO3 is formed, but it is soluble in water. This is, we are taking in soluble water, we are taking in water. So the NaNO3 is formed is soluble in water, but AgCl is not soluble. So you will see as a white precipitate. Such kind of reaction is known as double displacement reaction, and especially if it is having precipitate, it is known as precipitation reaction. We can take another example like Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus NaCl. So here this is soluble, sodium sulfate, barium chloride. When reacts, they form white precipitate of barium sulfate. So you can see there is a exchange of radicals. Cl is exchanged, Cl is coming here. So it is called double displacement reaction, and the precipitate is formed as known as precipitation reaction. So double displacement is either can be neutralization, like acid base, which is soluble product. But if it is insoluble, then it is known as precipitation reaction. So this was about double displacement reaction.